Ever since men and women have walked on the earth, they've dreamed of flying. They wondered what the birds could see that they could not. Even 500 years ago, artist and inventor Leonardo da Vinci dreamed of flight and made drawings of a flying machine. But it wasn't until 1903 that two brothers from Dayton, Ohio, Wilbur and Orville Wright, built a powered airplane and overcame gravity and taught the world to fly. And that's what we're going to do today, Pensacola. We are going to fly. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and boys and girls. The 2017 Blue Angels Homecoming Air Show is about to begin. In the next few hours, you'll see the Stearman flight, World War II trainers circling above. The T-28 Warrior flown by Rusty Miller. The Monster Energy FMX team is performing back here on the ground for you. Bob Carlton will fly the world's smallest personal jet, the Subsonics. From the Vietnam War, Texan Randy Ball will fly the Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-17F. Paul Wood will fly the A-4 Skyhawk. We'll have the Shockwave jet truck. Matt Youngkin will fly the Twin Beach. We've got the Geico Skytypers. Greg Shelton and his wife Ashley will perform. Redline air shows. John Clapp, Bill Stein, Rob Holland, the Navy Leapfrogs, and of course, the Blue Angels. All of that and so much more on the ground and the air. But I want you all to get ready to celebrate, to commemorate, and aviate. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to wave the flag this Veterans Day weekend. The 2017 NAS Pensacola Air Show with the Blue Angels Homecoming starts now. Good morning, everybody. My name is Rob Reider, and it's great to be back for my 10th year here at NAS Pensacola, bringing you the action. It's kind of like home now, as I know my way around town a little bit better, as I know my way around the base, and I've got to make friends with the people who are here making this show happen. Also, I'm great friends with a stupendous and amazing lineup of aerial performers who will be coming into the sky over the next few hours. And this is a very special day as we get ready to welcome the Blue Angels for their final performance of this team. If you will look directly in front of you and overhead.
Our jumpers are actually performing a facet of skydiving called canopy relative work. They're currently in a four stack, and they'll soon move into a diamond formation and release the American flag to salute to you and our military around the world.
In addition to Ken and John, also circling in a counterclockwise direction, we've got Rob Holland and Bill Stein. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our traditional air show opening, and it just doesn't get much better than what you're seeing right now.
The Navy parachute team began in 1969 with Navy SEALs and underwater demolition team members volunteered to perform at weekend air shows. They were officially commissioned to leapfrogs in 1974 by the Chief of Naval Operations and designated the mission of demonstrating Navy excellence throughout the United States. Each team member has conducted real-world operations before volunteering to join this elite unit known as the Leapfrogs. Following a 3-year commitment with the Navy parachute team, when jumping from 30,000 feet, SEALs can, if required, travel more than 75 miles under canopy to reach their target. They train extensively in tactical jumping, providing the capability to penetrate enemy lines virtually undetected.
Now the cool thing is, ladies and gentlemen, right now they are able to hear you. So I want you to make some noise and bring these SEALs in right on target. Hi, these are very steerable canopies, aren't they?
Yes, they are, Rob. They're very maneuverable. Miss our jumpers can hear you today approach the field. Let's give them some encouragement. For more information about the U.S. Navy parachute team,